guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am excited because this is my October giveaway. As if you guys couldn't tell from the title. Yeah, I forgot. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you what I am giving away from my October giveaway. I hope you guys are excited. I'm super excited, and I just want to get into it. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Maybe they like giveaways? Like, I like a giveaway. But let's get into it, and I will show you guys what I'm giving away. Okay guys, so first things first, I am giving away, it probably looks cuter this way, I'm giving away one of these palettes. I'm just gonna leave this one closed for you guys, and I will show you what the inside looks like. I did a review on it, it's on my channel, I'll link it down below, but it's on this gorgeous palette. You guys, on Amazon, this palette is incredible. The pigmentation on these are ridiculous. And in that video that I did the review, obviously I did a look with it. I love it. So the lucky winner will be getting one of these gorgeous palettes. Up next, because it's right in front of me, we have the Beauty Blender Cleanser. This is the Solid Pro. So you just wet your sponge, dip it in here, and then massage it through, rinse it out, and it's basically your soap to wash your beauty blender. Up next, we have a cute makeup bag. I don't know if you guys could see that. It is like, I don't know, golden, iridescent gorgeousness. I don't know. But it's one of those round ones. You pull this up. I just don't want to open it up. It is a gorgeous makeup bag. Super cute. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Up next, because you guys know that Wet n Wild has really stepped it up, I did a review, or not a review, I did a full face using Wet n Wild makeup, and what I did, I went ahead and I picked up a couple of extra things for this giveaway. I didn't use this, but I know that other people out there like to do their brows. I don't. I normally just go in with brow gel, so I went ahead and I got some brow gel, and then I got a brow pencil. This one has the little pencil on the top, and then the little spoolie on the bottom, so you don't need an extra spoolie. You just have it all right there in one. Up next, we have the Comfort Zone Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I picked this one because I thought it was pretty neutrally. You can do a little basic look and you can glam it up just a little bit. Don't forget, for the shimmer shadows, you just want to wet it a little bit and then pat it on. You'll get much more pigmentation, but I used this in that video that I'll link down below. Well, I don't know if it was this exact one. I got a couple different ones, but I used one of their palettes. Up next, just because, you know, sometimes we like to get a little glam, I picked up some of these. Let me zoom it in for you guys because I want you guys to see this gorgeousness. I picked up these gorgeous pressed glitters. I hope you could see how pretty they are. They shimmer so much. But we do have a little bit of a black, a little bit of a dark gray. We have silver, gold, iridescent, and then that pop of red. So I figured, you guys know, I like pressed glitters. I got a couple of these for myself, and I liked them, so I'm gonna throw one in here. Up next, we have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the color Crown of My Canopy. Yeah, what can I say about that, you guys? It is gorgeous. I love these highlights. Up next, I have the Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. This one is in the color Chick Got Real, and it's this mauvey pinky color. So again, this one to me is more of a gloss, at least the other one that I tried. It's just not super glossy, but they do say High Shine Lipstick, so there's that. And then this one is a matte liquid lipstick, you guys. A peachy nude. Everybody needs a peachy nude. This one's in the color Coral Corruption. So I got you guys those two colors. Now, moving on, I picked up this Tarte lip gloss. I'm trying to see if I can open it without ruining the packaging. Ugh. Okay, so from Tarte, I went ahead and I picked up this lip gloss. It is a peachy gloss. You guys, it's probably not going to be as bright as the tube. I'm just saying. I have tried one of the other colors. I don't know which one it is. I have it put away, but they're not as pigmented as they look in the tube. So I did pick up that Tarte lip gloss. And then I have this little Tarte kit thingy. You have a lip gloss, you have mascara, you have eyelash glue, and you have eyelashes. This is from the Man Eater collection. You guys, those lashes actually look cute, and I'm not a lash person, you guys already know. So the winner will be getting this as well. So up next, I have the Tarte Tardiest Pro palette, I think is what it's called. I just used it on a get ready with me. I didn't show it in the video, but I did link it down below. And then I did use it for this look right here. This is what it looks like. This is my palette. I love their eyeshadows. I barely use this palette because I don't want it to finish because that's how much I love it. But it is a gorgeous palette. So this is what the palette looks like inside. You have shimmers here and then you have mattes here. I love this palette, you guys. The quality of the shadows are so good. Like I said, I like barely use it because I don't want it to finish. So I was like, I have to get this one because I figured it definitely has more of like neutrals and all that, but if you wanted to totally smoke it out, you totally could, which I kind of did. I did like a smoky halo look in that get ready with me with it. I love this palette. I had to pick one up for you guys, so that's going in the giveaway with everything else. So up next we have a little bit of Ulta goodness. We went ahead and we picked up a Ulta gift card for you guys. This is a $30 Ulta gift card. I did want to include a couple of gift cards, and I also have one from Sephora. You guys, this is such a cute little mirror carrying case thing. So it has a little mirror right here, and then your little gift card is in here. It's super cute, super sleek. So I did want to include both gift cards because as much as I liked getting these goodies together for you guys, I know that sometimes you just need that little mascara, that little eyeliner, whatever it might be, and there's specific ones that sometimes we like to use. So that's why I went ahead and included the gift cards. For my future giveaways, I don't know if I'm going to do like a gift card or if I'm going to do more makeup and goodies. I do have makeup that I've been collecting these past couple weeks, and I'm excited. I'm excited for November and December's giveaways. So if you are interested in entering, I'm going to put all the rules down in the description, but I want to go ahead and tell you guys in this video as well. So rule number 1, you must live in the US. I'm sorry, I don't ship internationally right now, so you must be living in the US. Number 2, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And you guys, I know that giveaways get exciting and stuff like that, but I really want this giveaway to be somebody who wants to subscribe to my channel and actually be here and join the family. I mean, I'm sure there's still going to be people out there that just subscribe for the giveaway and go away. But I just stop and think, you know, for 2 seconds. If you're not interested in this channel, keep moving and let somebody that is interested win these goodies, you know what I mean? So the third thing is that you must share this video and 2 other of my videos. You could share them on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Your account must be public in order for me to check. And then you don't have to share the videos all at once. I know that some people don't like sharing things and all that because they feel, you know, weird or whatever. Space it out. You have from now until October 31st at 11:59 p.m. The giveaway closes. So if your comment isn't down below with your username of where you shared it or shared the 3 videos, you will not be entered. So just please don't cheat, you guys. And then also, please don't message me asking if you could win the giveaway. I know that you want to win. Everybody loves free stuff. I like to enter giveaways. I get it. But please don't message me asking if you can win or to pick you. I do this all at random. I put it into an app. The wheel decides who the winner is. I do not pick personally who wins. So just follow the steps and you'll be automatically entered. And if you want an extra entry into the giveaway, all you have to do is bring a friend to subscribe to the channel. Again, bring somebody that would be interested. Don't bring somebody that's just going to subscribe for the giveaway and then go away. I really want the winner to be somebody who's here to join us and be with us and enjoy my channel. But yeah, guys, I think that is everything. If you have any questions, let me know down below. One winner for all this stuff, not multiple winners. And also, I will put everything that I just said down in the description below. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Can't even speak. I feel like I'm out of breath. But I will let you guys go, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios! You guys, this is editing Jackie. I apologize about the hair. I was editing and I realized that I didn't mention that I'm also going to include just like a handful of like random samples and stuff. I have a drawer full of random things and samples and stuff, and I was going to also include that in the giveaway and I completely forgot. So if you see random stuff floating around, that's what it is. You're welcome. Okay, I'll let you guys go so you guys don't have to look at this anymore. Adios.